All right, we are doing 1.3, number 11. 1.3, number 11. All right. 6 times the quantity 4s plus 12 equals 8 times the quantity 3s minus 14. Okay. Go ahead, Zach. How do I start this off? Okay. Okay, so there's. All right, use the distributive property. So 6 times 4s is 24s. And then 6 times 12 is 72. Okay, what next? All right, so distribute the 8 through the parentheses to the 3s and the negative 14. So 8 times 3s is 24s. And 8 times negative 14 is negative 112. But what's your next step that got you to no solution? There you go. So yeah, in your work, you have to show this step. While you're correct, it's no solution. You have to show me that 72 equals negative 112. You have to show me that that there is in fact no solution. So for number 11, your answer is no solution. Cody, why is it no solution? That is a very perfect answer. 72 cannot equal a number that is not 72. No solution. All right, let's do number 13. I want to give you a minute if you guys need to write down any of that work. Are you guys all good with the work? Okay, thumbs up. Cody, thumbs up. Excellent. All right. So number 13 involves the same procedures. It just has fractions. 1/2 times the quantity 10 plus 12n equals 1/3 the quantity 15n plus 15. Now, Cody, do you know what would be the first step for this problem? Exactly. Perfect. You distribute the fractions through the parentheses. So what is, for this first one, what is 1/2 of 10? What's 1/2 of 10? 5. And then 1/2 of 12n is 6n. And we'll do the same thing on this side. What's 15 divided by 3? 15 divided by 3 is 5n. I'm sorry, 15n divided by 3 is 5n. And then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we have 5 plus 6n equals 5n plus 5. Zach, what's my second step? Okay, minus 5n. Yep, both steps will get you to the same answer. So we have 5 plus n equals 5. And my last step, Cody, what's my last step? Solid. An excellent vocabulary. Last step would be to get rid of that 5 so that we isolate the 9. And we have 5 minus 5, which is 0. So we isolated, not the 9, we isolated the n. So we have our answer of n equals 0. And the question is actually asking us to solve it and to determine if it has one solution, no solution, or infinite many solutions. How many solutions does this problem have? No? One solution. So if you get an x equals a number, that's one solution. You have one solution. If you have like 72 equals 72, then it's an infinite number of solutions. And if you have 72 equals negative 112, then it's no solutions. Awesome. Good question. What was the other one, Cody? 14. All right, number 14. These are nice because these are the hardest ones from this section. So if you're understanding these, then you got the section dialed. 6j plus 9. 2/3 times the quantity 6j plus 9 equals 3j plus 7. All right, now these fraction multiplications are a little bit more difficult. 2/3 times 6j and 2/3 times 9. So I'm going to do those over here. 2/3 times 6j equals 12j over 3. What's 12 divided by 3? So this equals 4j. And then if I have 2/3 times 9, 2/3 times 9, I would get 2/3 times 9 equals 18 thirds. And what's 18 divided by 3? Nice, 6. So what I get, 2/3 times 6j, I get 4j plus 6 equals 3j plus 7. All right, what's my next step, Zach? Right here. What's my next step right here? Okay, minus 6 from both sides. So I get 4j equals 3j plus 1. All right, and what's my last step from right here, Cody? What's my next step? Absolutely, absolutely. It's on opposite sides, so we can't just combine them, but we do have to move one to the other side. So how do we move this 3j over here? Well, since you're taking both the 3 and the j over, we're not going to divide it, we're going to subtract it. So we're going to subtract this whole unit because they go together. If we were trying to get the 3 off of the j, if we were trying to separate them, you would divide. But since we're not separating them, so 4j minus 3j is 1j equals 1. So is this one solution, infinite solutions, or no solution? Nice. So we have right here one solution. Ding! So that's 1.3. So hopefully you guys have 1.3 all dialed. Any other questions from 1.3?